was neat. Ketuo. Huh. Well, it took quite a while to figure out how to make that intro. That was fun. We have a new knife made by Ketuo. Let's get in there. Cleaning cloth, some extra screws, and some info about the knife. The Soulstone, and we got some spaghetti. Another extra screw. That's cool. Put it back in there. In your bag. Sweet. Spaghetti. And we got some dice. These are cool. Knife bag. Bag with doodads on it. That's pretty awesome. This is what we're after in here. This is the Soulstone. Freaking wild. Flick. Big blade. Such a cool design. Super smooth action. Get your finger out in front, do this. Yeah. And get your thumb out in front and do this. Yeah. Put your little middle finger on the back and do this. Awesome. Very, very cool. Let's see, we got M390 blade, ceramic bearing pivot, frame lock, 8.36 ounce, 5.08 inch handle. The blade is 10 centimeters or 3.94 inches. Big long blade on it. I love how that blade is shaped. So cool. Very interesting lines, curves, jimping. That fuller looks really cool. Nice big long flat blade. Black. Titanium handle, PVD coating on the blade. Some thick PVD, super black. Looks awesome. Hopefully I'm talking over the train okay. Yeah. Big old back spacer with that. It's pretty cool. Nice big pocket clip. Yeah, action's fantastic. Feels good. It's a big knife. Get out of there. It's about that big. Next to the McBee. Quite a bit longer. Yeah, really happy I found this. Check out like Ketuo knives. These guys. White Mountain knives, I know I had a couple. If you're interested at all. Very different, awesome design. I love it. I think it's really cool. definitely unique. Looks cool closed too. Like how all this all these lines come together. It's awesome. Big beefy knife mixed with some functional art, maybe. I don't know. That's what I think. Yeah, that looks so cool. Almost cut my finger. Cool. The Soulstone, designed by Beard of Doom. Put a little thing in the description so you can check him out. Check out his YouTube. Such a cool blade. There we go. Oh, there we go. I really like all these different angles in the top of the blade. That is awesome. Anyway, wanted to do a quick video on this. Probably do some more. The Soulstone. Thanks for watching.